ওয়েলকাম টু অল ভিউয়ার্স। আমি ইতিমধ্যে বহুত বস্তু শিকিলোঁ বা বহুত বস্তু কৰিলোঁ ফিজিক্সত। We have gained some kind of concept. We have done a lot of numericals. Ultimately, is the exam. If I classify the exam on the basis of CBSE as well as on the basis of state boards, so I say like Amar Assam or the council, their pattern are different. Particularly, I focus on CBSE class 12 final examinations. When we see the question paper, they are based on different suppose marks. Like first there are 1 mark question, then there are 3 marks question, then there are 5 mark question in CBSE. When you see the questions for 3 marks or 5 marks, they are basically numericals, they are basically derivations which are directly from the book. But when you see the questions based on 1 mark, they are not from directly from the textbook or any reference book. They are based on concept. Questions very easy, but if you do not have concept, okay, then you won't be able to answer them. So let us discuss today some questions of CBSE pattern. Let me 2016, suppose 2016 question paper in physics I will discuss. There was a question given is like this. Suppose this is question exercise in 2016. It was, the question is, there is a source charge Q and there is a distance A and distance B. The question is, it's about 1 mark. The question is potential at A minus potential at B, whether it is positive, whether it is negative, or whether it is equal to 0. This is the question. 1 mark or question 8, right? So how to solve? The solution is whenever, see, my simple principle is, whenever you are not getting the idea, you stick to the basic principle, you stick to the basic concept. When you have the basic concept, if it's clear, then you can solve it. Stick to basics, always stick to basics. We know the potential at A, there is a formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q. Q means what is the source of potential? Q. If there is a potential at A, the source is Q. If there is a potential at B, the source is Q. This is divided by, suppose, distance. See, this is the point A, O, suppose OA. Since I am calculating potential at A, so distance OA is considered. Potential at B, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into charge Q, because at B there is a source charge Q. Potential at B will be created for the same Q, OB. Now see, OA is less than OB. So obviously from mathematics, potential at A is greater than potential at B. So VA minus VB is always positive. This is the answer. This is the answer. So like this we have to proceed. Next, we come to the next question from same question paper, 2016 question paper. The question is how does electric flux due to a point charge enclosed by a spherical, I am writing in short, spherical Gaussian surface, GS, Gaussian surface, is affected when the radius is increased. This means increased. This is the answer. Again, 1 mark for the question. See, electric flux to kenake change hobo jodi there is a point charge Q and it's enclosed by a spherical Gaussian surface. If I increase the radius, flux or ki change hobo? Again, my principle is stick to basics. From Gauss theorem, what is the formula of flux? Flux equal to integration of E ds equal to the charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. We are increasing radius or we are decreasing radius. We cannot change the Q, right? We cannot change the Q. The Q remains the Q. So flux is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Q will remain constant. So flux will remain constant whether we increase the radius or decrease the radius. So our answer is flux is not affected as radius is increased. That is the answer. One more question. Okay. Next, we'll take another exercise. It is about 2017. Okay. 2017. The question is, there are two wire nichrome and copper. There are two wire, same length, same radius, connected and series. The question is, if I current is passed, which one will be heated up earlier? That means this is, suppose the solution is, this is nichrome and this is copper. In series, I current is passed. এই দুটা ওয়্যাৰৰ কোনটো ওয়্যাৰ সোনকালে হিট আপ হ'ব? Again the question mark is 1. It seems to be very question in depth. Okay, but it's as simple as that because the question is of 1 mark. See what we have to do. H is the heat generated. H is always equal to I square R T. There is a formula. So if there is, see, connected in series, so we have to, what we have to remember, if connected is series, I is always constant. So I is constant. So heating effect, it depends only on R. Because time is the time is not given. Forget it. And time is same for the both the wire. So I square RT, I is constant, T is constant. So heating effect or total heat produced will depend on only R. R means resistance. So if resistance is higher, heat produced will be higher, and resistance of nichrome is greater than resistance of copper. Why? Copper is a good conductor of electricity. If there is a good conductor, means it will allow current as much as possible. If this copper is a good conductor, every good conductor has a low resistance, right? So resistance of copper is always smaller. So resistance of nichrome is higher. So since resistance of nichrome is higher, so heat produced at nichrome is higher and earlier. So সোনকালে যদি কোনোবা হিট আপ হ'ব, কোনটো হ'ব? নিক্ৰম ৱায়াৰটো হ'ব, কপাৰ ৱায়াৰটো নহয়, বিকজ ৰেজিষ্টেন্স কম, হিট প্ৰডিউচ কম হ'ব, ইয়াৰ হিট প্ৰডিউচ সোনকালে হ'ব আৰু বেছিকে হ'ব. So the answer is heat produced at nichrome wire is earlier. So this is some examples for 1 mark. Okay, in my next class I will discuss simultaneously 2017 question paper, 2018 question paper, 2019 question paper for 1 mark question. I am always focusing on 1 mark question because these are concept based question. 3 marks question and 5 mark question is basically derivation or numerical. That we can do it and we'll definitely do it. But right now I'm focusing on 1 mark question. Thank you.